Today is Overdose Awareness Day, a day when we remember those who have lost their lives to the drug overdose epidemic.
In the St. Louis metro and nationally, officials are taking steps to help communities deal with the overdose crisis. And today, the Centers for Disease Control awarded $279 million in grants to states and communities to help them expand harm reduction strategies. Also, to help link people to life-saving care and make the latest data available. The toll of the opioid addiction weighs heavy on the hearts of local families every single day. Our Melanie Johnson is here with more on how they're turning their pain into passion. Melanie.
Sam, in St. Louis County, more people died from overdoses in 2022 than the number of people who died from homicides in the past 2 years. Those shocking numbers front and center on International Overdose Awareness Day for a special event in Kirkwood.
A switch clicked and he couldn't control it.
Mary Ann Lemon's son was 21.
I lost my son, Ben.
Ellis Fitzwalter's baby boy, Michael, gone before the age of 24.
We lost our son to a mixture of Xanax and heroin in 2014.
Both of their children victims of the opioid overdose crisis. They were among the 150 faces displayed outside Concordia Lutheran Church in Kirkwood Thursday.
I miss him every day, and I will for the rest of my life.
Each picture represents someone who met the same fate. Empty shoes placed underneath, a symbol of the lives lost. Organizations like Prevent Ed, an agency dedicated to reducing alcohol and drug abuse, were there, providing a hand that could help rescue someone else before it's too late.
A helpful resource to people who don't know where to start, who need that first phone call and some direction, whatever that might be.
Families and advocates taking direction and walking together to erase the stigma coming with substance abuse. Ben and Mike's families both represented their own organizations they started to heal, learn, and grow from the pain of opioid overdoses.
We're never going to bring Michael back, but we can hopefully prevent others from going down the same path.
We dug into the new numbers and found 449 people died of an overdose last year in St. Louis County. That is an 11% decrease from 2021. Melanie Johnson, First Alert 4.
Melanie, thank you. St. Louis landmarks are also recognizing International Overdose Awareness Day. Both the planetarium at the St. Louis Science Center and the St. Louis Wheel are glowing purple tonight to recognize the day. And to help curb overdoses, you can get Narcan from the St. Louis County libraries. In fact, by the end of the year, all 20 branches will have free Narcan kits to give away. The program is already in place at 5 county library branches. First Alert 4 is highlighting the St. Louisans experiencing the devastation of the opioid epidemic, including grieving families, first responders, and recovering addicts. You can scan the QR code on your screen right now to watch One Life Too Many, the toll of the overdose crisis. You'll also find resources and ways to take action to help end this epidemic.
It is